On the off chance that you're searching for smooth love elixir cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of smooth love mixture Jabber will go from now on, we will break down the past costs of Jibber Love Elixir SLP and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market Jibber. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally Jibber. In any case, we will make an Jabber effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of smooth love elixir is Jabber $0.024 and SLP is as of now positioned #327 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of smooth love mixture is 41,318,190,7044 with a market cap of 98,520,71 Jibber. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by Jabber 0.56% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the Jibber business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. For most recent 7 days, the Jibber was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.54%. Smooth love mixture has shown Jibber of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Our SLP forecast mini computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine an immense range of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a complete expectation of Jibber Love Elixir. Just information your ideal time period and see the expected Jibber worth of smooth love elixir. Our number cruncher will produce an exhaustive Jibber of month-to-month cost expectations. Jibber the market capitalization of smooth love mixture and other top digital currencies with our instinctive device. Jibber how the absolute worth of every digital monies circling supply piles facing others, and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 digital currencies to look at their market cap and imagine the Jibber. We anticipate future applesauce love Jibber cost expectations gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning help specialized investigation on the past value information of smooth love elixir. We give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past cost, smooth love Jabber market cap, smooth love elixir volume and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to Jabber our forecasts. Smooth love Jibber value forecast rundown. Long haul investigation proposes that smooth love elixir cost might actually Jibber to $2.35 by 2050, with a possible reach somewhere in the range of $2.25 and $2.58. There is potential for smooth love mixture cost to encounter a Jibber flood, coming to as high as $0.046 toward the finish of 2025. The ongoing business sector cost of one smooth love elixir is Jibber $0.024. The cost of one freedom would reach as high as Jibber $0.0294 est by 2030. Examiners project a bullish pattern for smooth love elixir in 20 Jibber, with costs possibly coming to $1.74 mark. Smooth love Jibber value disappointment 2024. The cost of smooth love mixture is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.26 in 2024. The smooth love mixture cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.029 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.028 Jibber all through 2024. Smooth love elixir value Jibber 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2025 the cost of smooth love elixir is estimated to be at around a base Jabber of $0.039. The smooth love mixture value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.046 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.04 in USD. Jibber value estimate for 2026. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of smooth love mixture is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of Jabber $0.056. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.066 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.58. Smooth love mixture Jibber value expectation 2027. Smooth love elixir cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.081 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.097 with the typical estimate cost of Jabber $0.084. Smooth Love Jibber Value Forecast 2028. The cost of Jibber Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.0117 in 2028. The Smooth Love Elixir cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.144 with the typical cost of $0.0121 all through 2028. Smooth Love Mixture Value Jibber 2029. The cost of one Smooth Love Jibber is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.017 in 2029. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.203 with the typical cost of $0.0176 Jibber all through 2029. Jibber Love Mixture SLP Value Expectation 2030. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2030 the cost of Smooth Love Jabber is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.0252. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme value Jibber of $0.0294 with a typical worth of $0.261. Smooth Love Mixture Value Jibber 2031. Smooth Love Mixture cost is conjectured to arrive at a most Jibber conceivable degree of $0.377 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.0451 with the typical figure cost of Jabber $0.387. Smooth Love Elixir Jibber Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.564 in 2032. The Smooth Love Elixir cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.648 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0579 all through 2032. Smooth Love Jibber Value Forecast 2033. As per our profound Jibber examination on past value information of SLP, in 2033 the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.081. The disappointment cost can arrive at a Jibber degree of $0.0972 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.0833. Disappointment Love Jibber Value Figure 2040. Long-haul expectations ought to be Jibber closer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Jibber and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key procedures for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our SLP cost expectation, the year 20 Jabber can end with a greatest cost of $1.74, while the base value worth of a Smooth Love Elixir can be around $1.42 with the coin exchanging at a Jibber cost of $1.54 approximately. SLP Value Jibber for 2050. Understanding business Jibber patterns and feelings is pivotal, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is Jabber. In 2050, the greatest